people. This is Survivally and TP Network. Let's get to the Tommy. What are you doing now, Tommy, today?
I'm just marking my points here with these trees. I make little holes in them so I know I was working here.
Well, you know, the woods aren't that huge. I think you can kind of tell. Let's look at these dents just to prove they're real. Ooh, look at that. Right there. See, very big. Ooh. Look at that slice. Please never try this at home. We work in all weather conditions, tornadoes, stuff like that. Please do not try it at home. It's a very dangerous work. We are professionally trained. Well, let's get to the TP. Oh. This is the TP we built. It took hard work. It took 5 people. They're all kids. Me, the Tommy, my 2 friends, one of my friends, and my sister. 1, 2, me and Mark. Me and my sister, not Lauren. Her name is Jessica, or Sally, I mean. And my brother, and my friend. So it was actually 4 people, but whatever. You get the point. Now let's take a peek. TP. Up close. See a lot. I'm walking on a lot. And just, if you can believe it, it's really nice. See real nice. Showing your little sticks. Yeah, I built these with sticks. Nice wood chops. I'm not chasing the right entrance, even though I'm supposed to, but I'm in the right leave spot, but let's go to the Tommy. Let's sneak up on him, see what he does without us. It might be hard. He's coming right toward me. It's too hard. I put on my cam in up here. There's a professional. He doesn't know we're doing a camera on him. We're sneaking up, see what he does. He got a big one. Let's start interviewing him. He will never see it coming. So, how you doing? The TP?
Look, I seriously didn't see you there.
Well, I was camming in for a couple minutes watching you. Probably 50 seconds. So, our time's almost gone, so, well, what are you doing? Just keep chomping away at every area? It's what you have to do to survive in the TP time. It's kind of hard, but you have to go through those rough times, you know? Ooh, a water bottle. Alright, we're about wrapping up. It's almost 5-minute episode, which that's how long we do. So let's close it. This being the show, TP and Survival.